Think he's gonna live?
Do you know him?
He was sitting next to me.
But now,
It's been 6 days. We're all still waiting.
they'll have to face the unknown
Somebody's coming. Who was that?
and each other.
I can't stay here.
We still don't know what's out there.
I've worse things to fear than what's in the jungle.
Well, you kind of know she's in that mugshot, and that guy keeps mumbling she's dangerous.
We can't live together. We're gonna die alone. Still back to civilization. And where are you?
Wow.
What is that?
That's what we're gonna find out.
You'd think they would have come by now. Who? Anyone.